to Surprisingly Geeky. I'm on debit. This is LunarDawn.
Hello. Playing Ratchet and Clank. Having a lot of fun. Breaking blue glass.
Blue grass is more like it. Because Ratchet's high. Look at that. Look at his glasses.
What?
Look at his glasses.
Yeah?
Totally high.
He's wearing goggles.
He's so fucking high right now.
No, he's not. He's wearing goggles. Okay, so yes, whatever. Oh, what's wrong, Ratchet?
Hello. So this is our other cat. His name is Ratchet. And there's her bum. In case you were wondering.
What it looked like. Missing something again.
Missing something?
Yeah.
Like what?
Like where I'm supposed to go.
Over there? To the left? Oh wait, sorry, the right? Can you jump up those like mushroom looking things?
Mushroom looking things.
Yeah. Keep going around.
Oh.
There.
Alright.
No. Could you have used that to walk somewhere? No.
No. That was such a funny noise. That's good. I needed that. Why were those bolts just sitting there? They weren't even in any crates. Almost did it again.
Can you come see me again?
Did I do all this for a gold bolt?
There are worse reasons to have done it.
I guess. It was fun, at the very least.
Like,
Yep. Look at this thing traveling in the lava. I'm just like, praise God. God damn. Looks like it's got a little do-rag on, actually.
a weird word, do-rag.
Yeah, why is it called that?
No idea. It shows how culturally in the know we are.
Seriously, right? Alright, let's see. Alright, let's go this one. Meow meow, Lulu.
I think we've lost our voices
Yes, I think
a
so.
little bit. It's definitely something that we're gonna have to work on and try to get better at. Oh, that's a death. It's been a while since you've had a death, actually.
That's it.
I feel like.
That's good. I guess it's just difficult for someone who's used to being quiet to try and fill all of the,
All of the dead space?
yeah.
Yeah. But I mean, this is only our second time streaming, so we'll get better at it.
Yeah.
Just as long as we're aware of the problem.
I guess.
If it even is a problem.
Is it? Oh, damn it, these guys.
For all we know, the sound of our voices could be like nails grating down a chalkboard to anybody who might be watching.
Potentially. Where are these guys
Hope
going?
not, but
Hey! Damn it! I'm gonna fucking die now. That was luck. Didn't I have the one thing left? It's those things! That's right.
believe it?
Believe it.
Yeah. I'm sure that if, well, I said if because I want to be, what do you call it?
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Something. if we're still doing this in a year, I'm sure it will be much better at talking for prolonged periods of time.
I certainly hope so.
That's
It'd be horrible if we weren't.
if we didn't get any better at it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Alright guys, that was the end of another episode.
So we'll be back in a second. Thanks for watching.